What's up, everyone? It's Rayvon from Love Lola, and I just wanted to share this really fast tip. When you're dealing with seams and you're getting ready to do your final top stitch, you know how it can get a little bulky around the top. Over my bag making career in the last couple of years, I've been trying to figure out ways to get my seams to be a little bit thinner, you know, for that part. At first, I used a hammer, which is great, especially when you buy a hammer or mallet specifically made for this. I use this out of our toolbox because, and you can always use your hammer to gently kind of hit at the seams and it will flatten it up. You just have to be careful that you don't mess up your vinyl or your leather. You don't want to scratch it or tear it or whatever, so just be very careful with that. And then I progressed to one of these rolly things because I do a lot of my sewing at nighttime when my baby's asleep. I say my baby, she's 4, she's about to be 5, but she's still my baby. I do a lot of my sewing at nighttime, and I was like, oh my God, like if I wake her up, I'm gonna be so mad at myself. So I can't really hit it like I want to. And so anyway, this is a good option for getting those seams flatter, absolutely. But what I just discovered was this tool. Now, I purchased this tool, and you probably have it too. If you have ever made like those key fobs, you know, that you put on your keychain, your wallet. I know I have one in here. Do I feel like looking for it? No, I don't. Oh, here we go. Perfect. Oh, yeah, so cute. Okay, so this little thing that you put on your wallets, or if you're doing a little wristlet for your keychain, you use this tool to flatten that out, you know? Well, that tool is great at flattening out your seams. Now, I'm going to try to show you what this looks like before I do it and after. Let me see if I can focus. So this is, you probably recognize it, the pattern, because it's so popular. This is the Mabel by Swoon. I've got a batch of these that I have been working on and off, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish them up. Today or tomorrow if I can, the editing in my videos, it all. Anyway, so this is what it looks like now. This is what the seams look like. I did use vinyl on the inside of this for people like me who are nosy and interested. I use the same vinyl. When I make little bags like this, I like to use vinyl on the inside now. But anyway, that's what the seams look like. And now we're gonna grab this tool. Especially, let's look at those corners. That's the main problem, right? These corners where we have 4 different seams being joined, it gets hella bulky. All right. You gotta apply pressure, baby, now, okay? You gotta be strong. You wanna get it flat. So, no, y'all better hit the gym. I haven't been to the gym in months. Who am I? Who am I to judge? Kitty, super kitties. Okay. I have gone around, and let's take a look at it. Can you see the difference in the seams? They look a little bit flatter, right? And that's gonna make it easier when we go to the machine to add that top stitch. Because we want that nice pretty top stitch at the end, right? Who cares how pretty your bag is if you get to the end, it's all wonky and crazy looking. So yeah, I just wanted to share that. Hopefully that can help somebody the way that it helped me. If you like the shape of this bag or you're digging this bag, let me see, I have one that's, Here we go. Super cute bag. I'm about to put a handle on it. Just like this one. I'm going to do a bamboo handle on this one as well. But if you like that, then you can go grab this from Swoon. That's SWOON. And like I said, this is the Mabel pattern. And guess what, y'all? It's free. It's a free pattern. Like, get out of here. While you're there, go ahead and grab some other patterns and throw it in your cart. You can actually use my code and get 30% off of your entire cart, excluding gift cards. So go check out Swoon Patterns. There's some good patterns over there. Grab you some stuff and make you this Mabel honey. It's so cute. Go to my YouTube channel. It's the handle is @LoveLolaLooks, and that's where you can that's where I have the link that you can follow. So click on that link and then use my code, and my code is 30LOVELOLA, LUVLOLA, and you get 30% off of your cart. All right, that's it. I hope that this helped someone because it really helped me. I'm always just trying to share. When I'm in here working in my studio and I just figure out or discover things, I just love to share with everyone else because I know that I'm always on a quest to make my bag making journey a little bit easier. So if I can help you make yours easier too, then I feel like I have accomplished something. So yeah, go check out my YouTube channel, get that code, and make you this Mabel honey. It is so cute. I love it. As you can see, I have a whole stack in the bag. This is probably one of my highest selling bags that I make. So, all right, that's it. I'll see you later. Bye. Wait, I almost forgot to give myself a plug. If you like this bag, this is my newest pattern, the Jelani. I made it specifically for the Rebecca Page Summit that is going to be happening March the 13th. So cute, right? So if you're interested in that, go to either my Facebook page or you can go to my YouTube channel. I have a video about it with the link. It's a free summit. There's going to be over 30 different projects that you can do, like crafting projects. Some is sewing, some is crafting, whatever. But follow the link that I have under my video to get yourself signed up. And I'm going to be on day 2, so I'm going to be March 14th. I have a video that will walk you through how to make this. Okay, that's it now. Bye for real.